Here is a test problem for you on inverse of quadratic functions. Given the graph of quadratic function, here it is, you need to find its equation, sketch inverse of the given function on the same axis, find equation of the inverse of this function. How can you restrict function to ensure that its inverse is also a function? So I'd like you to make a note of this question, pause the video, and then solve it. Take your time. Now in this playlist we have a lot of videos which can help you answer this question. So if you have any doubts, you can go through some of the similar videos and then get your answer. The steps are very clear. So from the graph you can find the equation. You can use the vertex form also, since vertex is very clear, and you can also use the factored form, since factor is also very clear in this particular graph. So from there you get equation of your graph. Now sketching inverse means draw the line y equals to x and flip. That is how you can sketch it on the same axis. To find inverse of a given function, it is recommended that you actually write down the vertex form, since from vertex form it is easier to get the inverse of a function rather than from factored form. And then to state restrictions. Now this function fails the horizontal line test. If I draw a horizontal line, it will strike at two places. And therefore its inverse, which will be kind of like this, will fail vertical line test. So the restriction is that you have to restrict domain. Either it could be right side of the axis of symmetry or the left side of axis of symmetry. Keep these things in mind and then solve the question and get your answer. In case you have difficulty, you can always reach me by email, or you can also see related videos. Thanks a lot and all the best.